This video shows parallel self-assembly of 2D tile structures using uniform control inputs. Tiles of different colors stick together. All tiles are actuated simultaneously by a global control input that pushes in the clockwise sequence of right, down, left, and up. The factory generates multiple copies of the desired part. For this example, the gold configuration is shown at left. Each clockwise sequence assembles another part. These parts are called polyominoes. Our algorithm first determines if a polyomino can be constructed by adding one tile at a time. If so, it generates a build sequence for the tiles in the part. Otherwise, it returns that the polyomino cannot be built by additive construction. Such polyominoes must be made by different methods. We built a reconfigurable, gravity-based model and a milliscale magnetically actuated system to demonstrate parallel assembly. In the gravity-based model, gravity is the global input that manipulates the red and blue sliders. These sliders connect magnetically. The red sliders have magnetic south out and the blue magnetic north. In the milliscale prototype, alginate particles are actuated by a global magnetic field to assemble into a 2D structure. In this case, the structure is a 4-particle square. A custom magnetic control stage generates a magnetic drag force by moving a permanent magnet. The assembly workspace is built on a silicon wafer. Channels were formed from the SU8 photoresist filled with deionized water and 10% tween 20. All microrobots used for these experiments were loaded alginate paramagnetic hydrogels, otherwise known as artificial cells. The global input is a clockwise up, right, down, left sequence. Friction from the walls is the largest challenge when maneuvering through the factory. To overcome this friction, the control input is pulsed. The pulsed control input does cause some of the microbots to temporarily move backwards, but they reach their destination by the end of each control sequence.